This is a one-of-one 1996 Pontiac WS6 bright blue metallic, hardtop, 54,000 miles, 6-speed. Let's take it for a test drive. Not very often do I get to say I'm in a one-of-one car, but today we are. This is a 1996 Pontiac WS6, and it is a real WS6. You have your standard LT1 350 or 5.7, whatever you want to call it, making 305 horse and 335 foot-pounds of torque. This one is a 6-speed manual transmission car. You have your power steering, power disc brakes, cold factory AC, all of your normal stuff. What sets this car apart from the rest is going to be the fact that it is a hardtop car. So they made, in 96, I think they made 2,575, so 2,575 WS6s. And I believe 1,500 and some change of them were hardtop cars. So this is a hardtop car, which is cool. You could have got T-tops. You could have also got a convertible in this body style. But again, hardtop car. And the fact that this is code 80U bright blue metallic, that's what sets this car apart from the rest. It is the only one made for the WS6 platform in 1996. So we'll talk about the colors here in just a little bit. But while we're driving, the driving performance is excellent. Zero complaints from the motor. The transmission shifts through all the gears well. Clutch engages exactly where you want it to. So no issues with any of that. The steering and the brakes are very nice and tight. Drives like a low mileage car, and it's 54,030 actual miles. It's a clean Carfax, no accidents or damage ever reported. We'll downshift here. On your exhaust system, you do have a aftermarket Magnaflow muffler with tailpipes coming out the back. So other than that, the exhaust is basically stock, just has a replacement muffler. Sounds good going down the road, not terribly loud from the Magnaflow, but it has a good sound to it. All right, we'll downshift here, downshift through the gears well. Only item I have listed is not working on this particular WS6 is going to be the power up and down function on the mirror over on the passenger side. Everything else is going to be listed as a yes on this one. If you check out the additional information section on my website, pcclassiccars.com, scroll down towards the bottom of this vehicle, you'll see the additional information section, which will have a screenshot of the Does It Work section, as well as imperfection photos and the Carfax. All of that good stuff will be in there, so make sure you guys check that out. Again, pcclassiccars.com. On the interior, it's code 122, which is going to be your graphite interior. Only issues or notations I would say is a little bit of bolster wear from getting in and out over here on the driver's seat. This does have the dash overlay on the dash, upper dash. Almost all of those are cracked, so most likely it had some cracks and they put the overlay on it. And then there's like a little half moon, or like actually a full circle on the top of the center console lid, but probably from where your elbow sits. No other real issues from the interior. It's very clean in here. Headliner, visors, all that stuff looks good. Center console opens and closes properly. You do have your RPO codes in there, and then you do also have some Pontiac manuals, which is really cool. Again, on the RPO codes, you do have the WS6, and you do have the code 80U, which is going to be the bright blue metallic paint, which again is one of one. If you do some looking online, some of the Pontiac groups do not have this car listed in their registry, so it's kind of a mystery car. I don't know if it was a pre-production or a super special order car, but there is no questions about it that it is a factory 80U bright blue metallic WS6. It's on the RPO tags. There is a book that you can order online. I actually have a screenshot of the book that does show that this is a one-of-one car. If anyone has any questions on that, just give me a holler. But we're gonna go ahead and pull out in front of these people and get in front of them so we don't have to wait. Performance is great, does everything you want from a WS6 in 96. Motor has great power, transmission shifts through the gears well. We haven't made it into 6th gear yet because we don't need it. But there's 6th gear, we're cruising at 1,500 RPMs. We'll go ahead and downshift back to 5th there. On the underneath, no issues of any kind. Floors are excellent, frame's great. Little surface corrosion on the non-painted parts, but it's minimal at best. No rust issues, really no complaints on the underneath. On the exterior, again, code 80U, which is your bright blue metallic. This is a one-of-one WS6 in 1996 with the code 80U. Excellent color, super cool, factory hardtop. You do have some imperfections in the paint, some little nicks, some little flaws here and there. It is a 54,000 mile car from 96, so we're going on 30 years old here, but it still is a very nice car. Factory WS6 wheels, brand new tires all the way around. You do have your really cool, bam, pop-up headlights, bam, they go back down. I love the headlights on these cars. They look like little, kind of like little triangles as all as you can see, because you sit so low and the headlights kind of pop up. You can barely even see the passenger one from the driver's seat, but the headlights work, which is a really cool thing on these. Again, obviously all the WS6s do have the pop-up headlights, or even all the Firebirds from this body style into the next body style. Just kind of a cool thing that these cars have. Take a look at that additional information section on the website, pcclassiccars.com. You will see photos of the little imperfections, but it's all pretty minor stuff. The ground effects do have a few little faded spots that you'll see photos of. I would say that's probably the worst thing on the car, and it's all pretty minor. Suspension is going to be your factory WS6 suspension, front and rear sway bar, factory rear end. Some of the bushings do have a little bit of age to them, probably the original ones from 1996. Steering is nice and tight. Brakes feel good. Stops the car well on heavier braking. Get back into the power. Odometer's rolling like it should. All of your gauges are functioning. Got your dash lights. I don't know if we can see that here in the video, but you got your really cool, they're like a red lit gauge cluster is what these came with from the factory. You have all your factory Pontiac stereo. It's AM FM with the CD player. Got to kick your little fog lights on as well. You got your fog light switch. Got to have your headlights on to get the fog lights to work. Got your dome light. Works like it should in the back. I guess it's not really a dome light. It's like a rear light on the interior here, but it does work. We'll downshift. We'll go ahead and get into the power again on this blacktop. It's always fun to roll into it in second here. Good power for what they are. Door panels are in great shape. Carpets are in nice condition. Mats look good. Really, the only notes again on the interior would be the wear on the edge of the driver's seat bolster from getting in and out, and then you do have the overlay on the top of the dash there. Not the lower dash, it's the upper dash. Again, the most common thing that goes wrong on these. Inside the rear compartment looks great back there. Nothing's out of place. When you pop the hood, it looks all OE factory. Nothing to really note. It is the original motor for the car, and again, this is a 6-speed manual WS6. Temperature's coming up good. Good oil pressure, good voltage, fuel gauge is reading. Again, that odometer's rolling, trip meter looks to be rolling, tach's working, speedo's working. You do get some plastic, I don't want to say rattle because it's not a rattle, but some little plastic shakes from these consoles. This body style or this year range is notorious. When they went to the LS cars in 98, they kind of perfected the interiors a little bit, but just kind of a really nitpicky thing there, but just trying to be as critical as I possibly can. But I absolutely love this car. The color is killer. Love my headlights. I like the fact that it's a hardtop car, just kind of looks a little different. The halo panel's in good shape. All right. Little second gear chirp. Pulls well, has great power. This is a killer WS6. As always, I'm Michael. This is a one-of-one 1996 Pontiac WS6 with a 6-speed manual transmission, 54,000 miles, code 80U, bright blue metallic paint. From myself and everybody else here at PC Classic Cars, we appreciate y'all stopping in to watch another one of our test drive videos. Make sure you check out that additional information section on the website, pcclassiccars.com. Check out the content we're posting every single day across all of our social platforms, and we'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks again for watching.